Hello, I'm James Cowling, Product and Sales Manager at Martech, and with me is Gerrit Visagie, our mechanical expert. And today we're going to discuss and talk about the SDT340 ultrasound and vibration data collector. From a technology point of view and condition monitoring point of view, having a device that combines both vibration and ultrasound and lubrication in one device is a game changer. Gerrit, you've been using the device. What do you think about it?
Well, what I like from the device is that we can use it for both vibration monitoring, which you can load the data onto your PC and analyze the data. That also gives us the opportunity or the advantage to detect early failures in rotating equipment.
And the beauty is that from an application point of view, combining ultrasound and vibration allows you to look at the electrical side of your plant, so substations, cables and transformers. And then from a mechanical point of view, you have the benefits of ultrasound from a slow rotating bearing application or for lubrication, and then the vibration, which covers a wide range of applications, which include both motors, pumps, fans, gearboxes. Gerrit, have I missed anything?
No, I think you've covered all, and what is also important is that we can capture data on very slow rotating equipment, which not all of our competitors can do.
That's correct. So these are some of the benefits that Gerrit and I have identified in the SDT340. But what we'd like to do now is with you, watch the SDT340 video so that you can actually see and visualize what the device does and what the benefits are.
Once in a while, a generational product comes along and revolutionizes a technology. The SDT340 data collector, supported with UAS 4.0 software, does just that. This cloud-connected condition monitoring solution is a game changer for ultrasound and vibration. SDT340's large color display features on-screen time waveform and spectral analysis. Switch to focus mode for rich 128K or even 256K high-definition resolution. Focus mode. See defects others simply can't. UAS 4.0 keeps your data where you need it, when you need it. Access your asset health data from your desktop, network server, or from the cloud. SDT340 with UAS 4.0 cloud-connected condition monitoring from the name you know and trust, SDT Ultrasound Solutions. Hear more.
Today we want to introduce 3 product suppliers who we represent in South Africa who supply vibration monitoring technology, analysis hardware and technology. As a business, we are either sole distributors with these companies, and the idea is just to give you a brief rundown of some of the benefits and some of the technology that we supply to the local market. The first one, Connection Technology Center, or CTC, as most people in industry will know them, are a global leader in the supply of vibration analysis hardware for all makes of vibration data collectors and online monitoring solutions. CTC also provide a full range of cables for all commercially available data collectors and analyzers, including the likes of ACOM, CSI, Proof Techniques, or Embedded Nevada. Gerrit, and as far as the quality of the cables, I think maybe you want to comment on those?
As far as the quality of the cables, CTC is the only supplier in the vibration monitoring industry that offers a lifetime warranty, no questions asked. The cable breaks due to normal wear and tear or any sensor failures, you just send it back to us, we will replace it at no cost.
CTC are a large company, so they also supply a wide range of standard accelerometers, triaxial sensors, velocity sensors and dual output sensors. They also supply a range of EX-rated sensors and accessories for both mounting and cabling. And as Gerrit mentioned, if CTC vibration and analysis hardware products should ever fail, they'll repair or replace them at no charge. The second principle that we want to introduce is SDT International, who are a global leader in the supply of ultrasound condition monitoring technology. And now they've introduced the vibration technology into their handheld and permanent IoT type solutions. SDT are really coming to the fore, and there's some really interesting technologies that we will be presenting. The third principle we would like to share some information about is ACOM. They supply a full range of vibration data collectors and online IoT vibration monitoring systems. On the handheld side, the Falcon Vibration Data Collector is widely used in local industry for handheld periodic vibration analysis. But the one thing we're really excited about is the online IoT permanent installation, and Gerrit's going to explain that to us.
Yes, we're very excited to tell you that we're going to install a MVX online monitoring system from ACOM at one of our local paper plants. What is making this product so unique is that they have a patented technology called Accurates, where the guys can accurately diagnose any faults or problems on the rotating equipment on this paper machine. This will be the first installation on the site, where we're going to cover approximately 100 sensors, and which will be expanded over the next couple of years.
Thanks, Gerrit. From a benefit or from a vibration analysis point of view, no matter what the industry application, vibration diagnostics are critical to safeguarding your machinery, like your electric motors, your fans, your pumps, your gearboxes, rollers, from a potential safety incident or breakdown, but also from a reliability point of view. And one of the things that we see in industry is that accurate vibration data going to your maintenance teams to identify defects and assess the possibility of future failures is becoming more and more important. And as IoT has progressed in the industry, specifically on the vibration analysis and vibration sensor side, we are seeing that online IoT is getting better traction as prices come down, as sensors improve, as we start looking at wireless technology. We are seeing more and more applications, and from a condition monitoring and a business point of view, it's really important that we focus on these and expand them. Gerrit will give us a little bit of a background as to some of the IoT type applications that we're starting to see coming into the market, and hopefully these will give you an idea as to what you can analyze or monitor in your plant.
Hi everyone. Yes, on the ACOM product range, we have the MVX wired system, which you can install on any rotating equipment, and that also has the capability of sending the data into the cloud, as well as the ACOM Eagle system, which is a full wireless system which can also monitor any rotating equipment and then send that data into the cloud or onto a localized PC.
The rollout of the wireless sensors, because you don't need cabling between the sensor and your monitoring system, is becoming more and more effective, and people are starting to move away from the cable systems to the wireless systems. Even from a handheld point of view, the ACOM technology has moved on quite significantly. So for example, the Falcon has been around in the market for a good couple of years, and as I've mentioned already in previous talks, is well used in the local industry. But there are smarter, smaller devices that are being used nowadays, and Gerrit's going to talk about the SMC device.
Yes, the SMC, or the Smart Machine Checker, is a standalone device which you don't need any software to go and do data capturing, data analysis. They're using patented technology called Accurates. So the instrument comes preloaded with hundreds of different templates. So if you want to go into your plant, you simply choose what you need, take the data, and you will have an instant answer on what the possible problems on that specific piece of equipment is.
So the benefit of this is that an artisan or a technician doesn't necessarily have to be a vibration analysis expert. He doesn't need to be a level 1, level 2, or level 3 analyst. And he can get an indication as to what is going on with that asset straight off the device.